Hey, what's up everybody? Lyndon Alvarez here with Buddy Effects, and I want to personally thank y'all for purchasing and or checking out Reverse Fire Shatter. So, this is going to be a quick, short, straight to the point tutorial. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, assuming your computer's on, After Effects is fired up and ready to go, you're seeing something similar to what is on screen. You know the routine: comps, animations, solid stills, fairly self-explanatory. Animations, in here you've got two lens flares. You can use that for all the stuff too. Stills, I just got these two stills from Video Hive and Vado. Your solids are your solids for the comps, and your composition. Basically you have your main comps. You have your 1080p and your 720p, and even though this is a pre-comp, I put it over here because this is where you actually change your logo. And then you have your pre-comps that make up the whole entire animation. You have your logo, and then you have your logo repeated, but it's the shatter version, just so I could I had to take some extra steps to make the shatter and actually reverse it because of how the sidecore effect works. So make sure you have sidecore plugins installed. I'm assuming most of y'all have that by now. Okay, so moving on. We're just going to go to, this is the main comp, we're going to go to the change me comp. And right here you have a guide. You can turn this guide on, and this will allow for you to see where your logo can fit. If it goes outside of this, then it's not going to work out. It'll get cut off and you won't have your full logo. So make sure it fits inside of the guide. I'm just going to control click all of these, and then I'll go into my logo that I want to replace. You can also do this with text. You can just click in the center and type what you want to and replace. But I'm going to go ahead and grab an image, click on it, making sure these are highlighted, holding Alt. I'm going to click on the image again, drag and drop, and it will automatically replace. I'm going to zoom in, and I'll see that my image is sticking just a little bit out. I'll hit S for scale, scale down, and I'm fine. And that's pretty much it. You go back to your main comp, and it should update automatically. Yep, there you go. And you can see it pans in. You still have the gloss that's over the top of everything. And then right here you have your website, which is your tag. And you don't have to put a website, you can put a slogan, whatever works for you. But all you gotta do is just scroll over it, put your tagline, whatever you want to write, and it'll update for you. So it's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Really nice project file to design a logo quick on the fly, looking very professional. Okay, now let's say this gloss. This gloss looks a little low just because of how the logo is positioned, and I'm going to go ahead and show you how to change that really quick. So all you have to do really is you want to click on the logo. You want to Alt, double click. Alright, now really quick so you don't get confused, I'm actually inside of the file that you have. I'm sure I didn't provide this file with you, so just jumping over here, the same routine, like I said, click on logo, that'll take you to over here, and you want to highlight the gloss face. And what you're going to do is hit U, and you'll see that you have two keyframes, and basically you can see the gloss just animates from a lower position up higher. So I'm going to go to the first frame with over that first keyframe. I'm going to highlight both of these, and holding shift I'm going to click up. I'm just going to do it 3 times, and you'll see that it moves the gloss effect up. Now what you have to do is go back to the main comp. Let's Alt double click on Shatter. It's going to bring you into the Shatter comp. Alt double click again to go to the logo Shatter comp. And I don't have it labeled, but I will have it labeled in your project file, but that top one is the gloss too. So go ahead, hit M for mask, select the mask, making sure you're on the first frame, hold shift, and I'm going to press the arrow key up 1, 2, 3 times, just like I did. So when I go to the main composition, click on it, and I basically do a RAM preview, you'll see that everything's working except the gloss is up a little bit higher as to where you positioned it. Alright, now doing a quick RAM preview, you'll see that everything is in line and the gloss is up higher. So yeah, that looks good, and that's pretty much it. It's very simple, straightforward. If you have any questions, go ahead and email me at buddyeffects@yahoo.com. Contact me on Video Hive. If you're watching this on YouTube, over there, just whatever's most convenient for you. Make sure to rate it. Tell us what you think about the project file. I'd really appreciate that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Until then, keep it moving, peeps.